I wonder who we can see in the rock pool today. Let's have a look. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Can you hear those snappers snapping? This is Buster the crab, a crab with an extremely good memory. Buster knows all about the rock pool, the visitors that arrive, often unexpectedly, and the sea beyond the rock pool. Buster loves helping his friends and enjoys solving problems. On very special occasions, you might even see Buster without his shell. He is, after all, a hermit crab who can take off his shell. Snappers, you're a clever crab, Buster. Salty and I love finding out about rock poolers, don't we?
Find out when we add new clips and build a playlist especially for your child by subscribing for free to the CBeebies YouTube channel.